What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's how-to video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a sturdy shelf for your closet. Now this is definitely going to give you a ton of extra storage space, and you're going to definitely want to stick around till the end of the video where I will attempt to climb on top of the shelf to test its sturdiness by seeing if it's going to support my entire body weight. And if you guys like the video, want to see more of this content, please give it a thumbs up, sub if you guys are new around here, and I'll catch you guys in the build. Now in terms of tools, I recommend having a level, a stud finder, pencil, tape measure, a drill or impact driver, a hammer, a nail gun would definitely help, as well as a table saw and a miter saw. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to mark the location of your wall studs, and I'm simply using my stud finder to do that. Next, you're going to want to determine the dimensions of your shelf. I'm building shelf wall to wall, so I'll be cutting the shelf at 83 inches wide and 20 inches deep. Now to ensure that my support boards are flush with my brackets, I'm going to cut a 1/8 inch notch on the top and back using my table saw with a custom built fence to ensure that my cuts are straight. Once you've determined the height of your shelf, go ahead and secure your side support boards. I'm using my RYOBI airstrike to temporarily hold them in place so that I can adjust them for level. To fasten the brackets and support boards into the studs, I'm using number 10 2.5 inch screws. And for the shelf, I'm simply using a 3/4 inch laminated pine. And to fasten the brackets into the shelf, I'm simply using the 3/4 inch screws. Now, truth be told, guys, I was pretty nervous about doing this, so I guess it goes without saying, do not try this at home. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.